Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need to move fast. First, confirm your laptop OS and a stable internet connection, then download the Microsoft Teams desktop app. Once done, run the installer and open Teams. Make sure to sign in with your Microsoft 365 or Work/School account so you get full features versus the web. You'll see the left rail and calendar after sign-in. If prompted, allow permissions for camera and microphone so the app can access devices when you join meetings. Once signed in, personalize your profile and then configure devices so everything works in meetings. Go to Settings and choose Devices to pick camera, microphone, and speaker outputs. Run a test call to verify levels and reduce echo. Make sure to grant camera/mic permissions at the OS level if devices aren't listed. Also check notifications and calendar sync so invites appear. Once those are set, you're ready to schedule or join meetings without unexpected audio or permission issues. To complete a meeting, open Calendar or click a meeting link and choose Join. Pick your mic and camera state, then enter. When presenting, use the share tray to select your entire screen, a specific window, or a PowerPoint. Click Stop Sharing when finished. You can record, use chat, and raise your hand during the session. If something goes wrong, for example, no audio or camera, restart Teams, check OS permissions, and update device drivers. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.